Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to teach you how you can bring elements to front in your presentations on Miro.com. So let us dive into this. So guys, as you can see, I'm in that example board here with these elements, a text box here, a text box here, some shapes. So just for the sake of the tutorial, let me move that text box here over that element, over that rectangle, and also that text box. And as you can see, the text box will disappear because it's not hidden, but it's in front, so it's in the back, sorry. So to bring it to the front, guys, simply select the given element, right click into it and select bring to front. You may also use that shortcut here, and now it's in the front. And you may do the same with sending these elements to the back, right click into them and select send backwards or send to back, one of these, or for example that option here. And as you can see, now it's behind that shape, and that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll catch you later.